guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and I just filmed this entire video without filming, so that's fun. We're doing another Medusa's makeup unbagging, and I've already seen all the products because I'm me. So yeah, let's go ahead and re-dive into this. So this is November's bag. Hello Fall is the theme. We are almost 2 years into this, which I've already said and feels weird to repeat, but you know. Here is the first item. It's like a little makeup sponge. I do really like these. I have quite a few of them from Medusa's Makeup now. I think I have pink, white, maybe purple, and now this rainbow one. It's like a pastel rainbow kind of. I really like these just to get makeup off my face or like swatches from my hand. I don't use them super often on my eyes, because I feel like when I put that on my eyes, it makes the makeup go into my eye. So try to avoid that, but that retails for $6. With that being said, the next item in here, I'm super pumped about. This is from Lovebird, which I think is a Medusa's makeup brand, but I could be wrong. I think it's like their skincare, but again, don't quote me on that. This retails for, I forgot already, $16. And it smells like pina colada, you guys. It's mascara melt, if I didn't already say that. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. Like, so good. I love, love, love the smell of pina colada. Pineapple and coconut are like my favorite scents, favorite flavors together. Amazing. But I'm so excited to try this. I love stuff that's going to take my makeup off and not hurt my eyeballs. Next thing in here is this little guy. This is an eye dust in the shade Pennywise. Love the name. I don't use these though. I still have like all of them that I've gotten sealed because I kind of want to try like to use them on my nails, which I haven't painted my nails in like literal years. So we'll see if I ever actually do it, but I keep holding on to them just in case. That retails for $9. Next thing in here, I'm also excited about. It's a lipstick, which you're probably like, you never get excited over those because Medusa's Makeup is like, it's in the shade Sugar Daddy, is a super fun company, and they love like bright colors and all of that, which I do too. But if I'm gonna put them on my lips, it's gonna be a liquid lip, not a lipstick, because I'm the type of person that I'm gonna put it on at the beginning of the day and it's gonna stay. I'm not gonna touch up. So that's kind of on me. But if I'm wearing a lipstick, it's going to be like this, not like a color that I care about wearing off. But this is actually a nude shade. So we're going to finally try this formula out after almost 2 years. So I am excited. Like, I've gotten so many of these. I've gotten like purples, like lilac purples, bright pinks, blues, like you name it. I've gotten it, but I've not tried it yet. So I'm excited. This retails for $14. And the last guy in here is by So Susan Cosmetics, and it is a brow powder. So packaging's really boring, which I said in the last time I filmed this, but it is $17.95, which is such a weird price. But there's 2 shades in here. I don't think this one's gonna work for me. Maybe now. I did dye my hair a little. I got some balayage, I think. I don't know what I did. I kind of hate it, but I got that, and then the darker brown will probably work for me. So yeah, that's it. One of my favorite things about Medusa's Makeup though is they do this for me so I can take the guesswork out of it. It says 5 beauty products valued at $62.95, so they tell me what it's worth, which is awesome. So quick recap: we got the brow powder, which is like I'm excited but not really, like it's fine. The mascara melt, which is probably my favorite thing this time. I'm very excited to try that. The lipstick, I'm super excited to finally try. The little spongy guy, you can never have too many of these thrown around everywhere. I'm looking around like I have so many. And then the little eye dust, I'm not excited about. But overall, pretty good bag. It was kind of hard to follow up last month. Last month's was the best bag I've ever had from Medusa's Makeup. So this kind of feels like a letdown, but it's also not. Like, I'm excited about all but one of these products, so it's a good bag. I really like this. I feel like Medusa's Makeup has been stepping it up the last couple months, which I am here for because there's been some months where I was like, do I really want to continue this? And the last 2 months I'm like, yeah, maybe I do. But that's everything. Let me know if you guys like this subscription and what subscriptions you have, all that fun stuff down below. Don't forget to like before you go and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.